Hey kids, Mr. Snyder here. Hopefully everybody had a good spring break, nice relaxing time off. Hopefully you guys still stayed active and fit and ate healthy. But now we're back and we gotta stay doing some workouts and being physically active, eating healthy, and keeping our body in shape. So today's video, it's gonna be short, but I'm gonna do a little workout that we can do at home using common things we can find around the house. So the first thing, I got 2 milk jugs here. So something simple as a milk jug that we think is gonna be trash during these times, we can use them, make some weights out of them. So each one of these milk jugs weighs 4.5 pounds if I fill it with water. So what I did is I filled it up with water, capped it off, and now I have a makeshift weight. So I can use it to do bicep curls or shoulder flies or other exercises that I can use, typically use a dumbbell for. Dumbbell is that one that has 2 weights on the end and the handle in the middle to hold on to, but we're gonna use our milk jugs. So let's get started. So our first exercise that we're gonna do with the milk jug, we're gonna do bicep curls. So when you curl for your bicep, you're working on your bicep muscle, you're slowly contracting that muscle, and then you're gonna release that muscle slowly. When I'm contracting it and letting it go, and I do it slowly, I'm making that muscle work harder, which is actually better for building muscle and staying fit. All right, I don't need a lot of weight, so 4.5 pounds, I'm doing it slowly and repetitively. It's gonna help us build some muscle in our arm and keep those muscles active and healthy. So let's do 10 bicep curls together slowly. So I have 2 milk jugs. If you only have 1, you can just alternate arms. I have 2, so I'm gonna do both arms at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, remember, we're doing that slowly. Contracting our muscles, letting it out slow. Make sure you're keeping your wrists nice and tight. You're not curling your wrist. If you're just curling your wrist, it's not helping your bicep. So you want to keep that wrist tight and curl in your bicep. So bending your elbow, making your bicep muscle work. All right, so we're gonna move on. We're gonna do our next exercise. We're gonna do what's called a shoulder fly. Shoulder flies, we're gonna keep our arms, we're gonna hold them straight out like this. We're gonna lift up. All right, so hold our milk jugs down by our sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Now, you should feel that in your shoulders, across your back, all right, maybe a little bit above your bicep because your bicep muscle connects to your shoulder, so it's all working together. All right, now, let's try this a little bit different. We're gonna hold our arms out straight, but we're gonna bring them together. These are called pectoral flies. So my pectoral flies, it's gonna work on my back muscles and my pectoral muscles. All right, my pectoral muscles are my chest. There's a little easier way to do it. Remember, it's only 4.5 pounds in each arm, but you're gonna get tired and you're gonna feel it even if it was heavier weight because we're going slow. We're not going fast, we're doing this slow. All right, good. So that's working on our chest muscles, which are our pectoral muscles, our shoulders, and across our back. Simple workout using milk jugs. All right, so our next one, we can use the milk jug or we can use a soccer ball or any type of ball that you have laying around the house. So this one, we're actually gonna do it on the floor. So we gotta sit on the floor, okay? We're gonna pick our feet up off the ground so our feet are not touching the floor. The ball is gonna be next to me. I'm gonna pick it up. I'm gonna move it to the other side. I'm gonna pick it up, move it to the other side. These are called abdominal twists. You're working on your ab muscles, twisting and turning your core muscles, making them stronger. So we're gonna work on our side abdominal muscles, our center abdominal muscles, and our other side, because we're twisting from each side. So you can use the soccer ball, or if you want to add some weight, use the milk jug. Feet are off the ground together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, good job. Now, if you want to modify that to make it a little easier, keep your feet on the floor, still twist it. All right, but if you want to make it more difficult, you're leaning on the floor. Your feet are up, so your bottom is the only thing touching the floor. Use a soccer ball if you don't want to have weights. Use a milk jug if you want to do 4.5 pounds. All right? Now, let's go on to our next exercise. All right, now it's time to work on our tricep muscles. Our tricep muscle runs down the back side of our arm, opposite of our bicep. So, if we're looking at our bicep's on the top. Make a muscle, you can see your bicep. Your tricep is on the bottom. Doesn't really do much, but it does. All right? You're not usually seeing it move or feeling it move, but our tricep runs down our arm, and we're gonna use it now during this exercise. So, you can use a soccer ball, or add some weight, use your milk jug. So, what you're gonna do, you can either kneel down or stand up. I'm gonna kneel down because it's easier to see. You're gonna take the soccer ball behind my back, like this. So my triceps are engaged to hold that soccer ball. I'm just gonna lift it above my head. Back down, up, and right now, I'm just using my tricep muscle. You can come up a quarter of the way, or all the way, it doesn't matter. Quarter of the way, it's gonna make it work harder. Okay, now, that's the soccer ball method. The milk jug, same thing. Hold it like this, come up over your head. We're gonna do 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. That's working on our tricep muscles using 2 simple things we can find around the house. Empty milk jug and a soccer ball. All right, so for our next exercise, I moved over to the couch, and I'm gonna do a tricep dip to work on my tricep muscles. The way it works is I'm gonna put my hands on the couch, my feet are out as if I'm sitting on the couch, but really I'm not. Look, I'm in front of it. I'm gonna go down, back up, down, back up. This is gonna work on my tricep muscles, my shoulder muscles, and my back muscles. All right, ready? Let's do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, good job. Now anybody could do that. So if you want to do more, go and do less, do whatever you're comfortable with, but that's called the tricep dip. All right, so we're all done with our triceps. Now we're gonna move on to push-ups. Our push-ups, working on our bicep muscles, our chest muscles, our core muscles, our back muscles, basically every muscle in your body. It's a full body workout. So we're gonna do 15 push-ups. Just to remind you how well it looks, I'm gonna show you. So I'm down, my back's flat, my feet are together, my arms are about shoulder width apart. I'm gonna go down, and I'm gonna come back up. down, and back up. All right, so let's do 15 of those together. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, 15 push-ups, done that part. Now, we're gonna move on and we're gonna do the plank. So, let's hold the plank for about 30 seconds. You ready? Plank's the same way. You can do it on your hands in push-up position or your forearms. I'm gonna hold mine on my forearms. Ready? Go. Make sure you're flat on your back, engaging your core muscles, keeping everything nice and tight. We don't want to have a saggy back, making us look like a seal, and we don't want to be a mountain. You guys are doing a great job. Keep up the good work. Make sure everything's engaged, nice and tight. All right, good job. Done with the planks. Now the planks, just like the push-ups, are a full body workout. All right, you can do 30 seconds, you can do longer. Go up to a minute if you want, even past a minute. But whatever you're comfortable with, without shaking or feeling you're unstable, all right? Your form is more important than the amount of time that you do it in. If you do your form the right way and you hold it for 30 seconds, it's better than if you hold it for 45 seconds and you lose your form. Because your form means you're keeping your muscles engaged the proper way to help you build muscle and strengthen your body. As soon as you lose that form, you start to shake, you get unstable, you tip to the one side, your back lowers, you're losing that form, making your body lose the momentum of strengthening your muscles and making your body stronger. So remember that. All right, so I told you it's gonna be a quick workout using simple household items that we can find. Like I said, I have my 2 milk jugs. I was gonna throw them away, but I filled them up with water, 4.5 pounds each. And I have a soccer ball. Any type of ball will work for the exercises I showed you today. A couch, a chair, an ottoman, whatever you have that you can use to lower yourself down without touching the floor. All right, so we're gonna end for the day with that. But before we end, we have to do some stretching because it's always important to stretch out your muscles to keep them growing and rebuilding the muscles that we're using. Makes our muscles get bigger, stronger, and work better. So here we go. We're gonna stand up, feet shoulder width apart, and do some arm circles because we worked on our shoulders today and our back muscles. So arm circles forward, small ones first, get a little bigger, a little bigger, as big as you can go. We're going forward. All right, backwards, as big as you can go. A little bit smaller. Smaller. Good. All right, shake it out. Okay. Bring your arm up, across your across your chest. Gently pulling it in towards your chest muscles. This is gonna stretch out your shoulder, your triceps, and your back. Hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Move to the other side. Hold it for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, good. Now, feet shoulder width apart, maybe a little bit further. Go down to our left side first. Hold it for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. To the right side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Now, down to the center. As far as you can go. If you can touch the floor, great. If you can't, just as far as you can go comfortably. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Now, lift up your leg, hold onto your toes, pull your heel into your bottom, lean forward a little bit. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, other side. See, even I fall over sometimes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Excellent job today, guys. That's going to complete our workout for today. We did our stretching. We worked on our bicep muscles, our tricep muscles, our shoulders, our back, our chest muscles, and our core muscles. So, good job. Keep up the good work. Use this video as many times as you want. And keep an eye out for my next one. See you guys later.